Hello once again, Chapter 316. I've not done a video for quite some time now. Not really had a lot worth videoing. I've done an update to my Chester 920 lathe. As I'm sure all you people that's got these Chinese lathes, you're used to these things, these crappy little handles which rattle. They're always working loose and a bit of a pain in the bum. However, I've made some for my 920 lathe, which I'll show you in a minute, and my next video I am going to make some new handles for the milling machine using these. Now on eBay you can get these little, don't know if you can see them okay, little bearings. They're skateboard bearings. Not very expensive, quite good for what they are, for what you pay, a couple of pounds. And they work well. So I've turned the blanks for my milling machine, which are these. I've nailed them. I've machined them to length pretty much. They just need boring and new bearings putting in. I know another tool I've made. If you ever come across any old Morse tapered shank drills, even if they're worn out, they're worth keeping, because what I've done to save messing around with chucks, I've put a centre drill in like that. Very simple to do, and you'll find that the shank end of the drill is quite soft. So I always keep these for various things. Okay, that's my latest tool. I also made an early tool quite some time ago actually. Still playing around with it. It works well. The spring's a bit crappy. I don't know if you can notice or you can see these two pins here. These two pins are made extra long, because what I'm intending doing is getting some spring, steel spring of some sort, and bend it round these to make it a W, like a W shaped spring like that, round the pins. Okay, with any further ado, I will turn you round onto the Chester 920 lathe. Just give me a moment and I'll be there. I'll swing you round. Sorry about that, going the wrong way. Sorry about the camera, but I'll just tilt you down a little bit. Right, as you can see, I'll just lower you down a little bit. You're a little bit high there. Bring you down a bit more and you can see a bit better. I'm sorry for all the camera sheet, but there you go. This is what we have to do. Now these handles have made a massive difference, and I can't just tell you the difference they have made. Didn't take long to make, quite simple really, drilling, boring, threading, but they're smooth as silk. I don't know if you can actually see those spinning. There's no play, no noise, no rattle. They're absolutely spot on. Absolutely spot on. Done the same on the tailstock. Slightly bigger handle. A lot more comfortable to use. Makes the machine a lot more pleasurable to use. So, in my next video, which will be coming up very shortly, I will be machining the handles for my XJ12 milling machine. It's only a small milling machine, does what I want it to do, it's okay. But again, we got those crappy handles on it and they're so annoying. So, this is Chopper 316 saying ta-ta for now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.